Mutton liver ularthu.
For this, we'll need 500 grams of mutton liver. Slice it into thin pieces, about 1 inch long. Place it in a pressure cooker and add half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Cook the liver until it's tender. Around 3 whistles would be enough for this. Heat half a cup of oil in a wok or pan. Add 2 medium-sized onions, sliced. One-inch piece of ginger, sliced. 2 green chilies, slit. Saute until the onions become translucent and fragrant. Now, for the masala, you'll need 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 5 cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon of aniseed. Powder them to make the masala. To it, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of freshly ground pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add a little water to form a smooth paste. Add this aromatic paste to the sautéed ingredients. Fry on medium heat until the oil begins to separate from the mixture. Now, add the sliced mutton liver to the wok and mix well. Pour in 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Cook this mixture until the coconut milk is mostly absorbed and the liver pieces are semi-dry.